think I may have fixed the shifter. We will see. Did it already break? No shot, it already. What? How does this happen? I just put this on. Bro, oh. I know what I need. I feel like I forget sometimes how much I've done to this silly car to make it work right, but damn, I had it on just long enough for this thing to get super freaking hot. Where are the Russian combat gloves? Good old splobs. This shifter's had a problem for just since I've had it, and I think I'm finally gonna fix it today. The cables aren't necessarily worn out, but the bushing that the shifter itself uses is a bit silly. Oh, I see it, okay. So, ow. Can I move this way? That would be crazy. There you go. Where's my dang, where's my magnet, bro? This will work. Okay, where's the freaking gabagool, boys? Out of here, okay. I need a very large washer for this guy. This is an M8. Where the washer's at? Dude, okay. M8 by 30. Dude, hell yeah, brother. If I can get the, okay. Bruh, there it is. That's my solution. So this is just not fun. Oh, especially when it's hot. Oh my God. Ow. Oh, that hurts. You might think, Evan, you're crazy. Yes, and? Okay, come on, get in that. Okay, nice. I got it in that little hole. I think my skin is burning on that. I think I just burned some skin. What are you doing, dude? What are you freaking doing, bud? I just want to drive this car. I miss driving it because this thing is sick. That'd be crazy if you went in your home, buddy. That would be insane. My finger does not bend like this, dude. This freaking bolt has one job, and it's not even attempting to do its. Oh, shoot! I just dropped it. Uh-oh, where'd it go? Not like this. It could have gone one places, and it didn't go there. Dude. Oh, there it is. Lava hot fiberglass in my arms right now. Okay, that should not be able to escape now. I'll show you guys on my phone what I'm talking about. The thing that holds the whole assembly together is rubber. And so what I did was I put a big washer on it and some Loctite. That's the up and down movement, and then this other one is the left and right movement, so that's in charge of that. It's silly. This thing has constantly broken and not let me drive since I've had the car. So hopefully this works, because it usually leaves me stranded, and it's not fun. Wish me luck. I mean, if this breaks now, then it's never gonna work again. Like, it can't work. I really need to actually safeten up this car. These harnesses are not good. Recipe for disaster, just like RuneScape. Goodbye, Sim. It's time to do the real deal. Probably a terrible idea to try this at night. I should have worn earplugs. Oh my God, this thing's so fast. I forget that we made a really nice exhaust for it, but this has got to be one of the worst sounding motors of all time. It has to be. The J series. I don't have a speedometer in this car, so I never know how fast I'm actually going. Oh God, this thing has no taillights. Looks to me like I need to get some brake lights, because that's sketchy. Oh my God. This car is ridiculous, dude. Golly, man. It's like you have to, you gotta fight the wheel to stay straight. You wanna talk about torque steer? A V6 turbo Civic with 28s. Oh my, I still brake traction in 4th gear. 4th gear. That's insane. 4th gear, bro. That's nuts. I feel like I should launch this car in 2nd. But probably 1st is good. This car's got like, I want to say like 1,500 horsepower axles. So, I mean, it's definitely solid. Like, it's ready for launches. I cannot see a damn thing. Yep, lights are next. So let's see how fast this thing is from a dig, dude. Like, yeah, rev limiter 7K, which is probably plenty for this V6. Oh my God, dude. Oh my God. This thing, thankfully this thing stops really well. I just got some R1 Concepts brakes and they're good because this thing gets up there really quickly. Okay, nobody's behind me. Let go again. I gotta make sure this thing doesn't break, man. Oh my God. Oh my God. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. God, dude. I don't care what type of driving you like to do. Everybody needs a fast Civic in their life. It's like I can drift all day long. It's fun. It still leaves a smile on my face. This is like a child who has just had their first lollipop and played at the park for the first time type thing. I mean, it's crazy how much torque this thing has. I think I'm literally fighting for my life driving this car. The water temp is phenomenal right now. We're right over 180. Ugh. This thing is not good to drive in the summer because it loves to overheat, but after those pulls are still at 180, that's fantastic. And I would say that our shifter situation is probably sorted, so. All right, we got nobody behind me. I'm gonna go ahead and just go. I kinda wanna do some brake boosting. Like, what happens if I, yeah, straight up. Dude, this thing is, oh, hold on, I'm gonna do a third gear brake boost. Third gear brake boost, guys. Probably 50 miles an hour. I'm not even gonna say that, that's illegal. There we go, brake boosting. Right after this corner, I can hear the turbo spool up. That was third gear. Oh my God. I love fast cars, dude. I love fast cars. I should put this motor in my freaking... I'm so happy this car runs. I can't even express enough how much I love this car. Like, I don't drive it enough because I've been really focusing on drifting, but god dang, dude. This thing is unreal. This is nuts. Need to make this car a little more night drivable. Damn. I also got scammed, by the way, guys. I don't know if I told you guys this. Got scammed. I bought a three-piece front end on eBay. Dude makes them out of California, out of Modesto. Freaking didn't, I paid him. He did not send me the body kit. It's pretty cool. This car is awesome and it blows me away every time I get in it. And I forget how awesome this power plant is. So, with that said, I'll keep this short and sweet. I'm kind of inspired to do something. Listen, guys, no matter what you pursue, no matter what you do, it's important to have roots. It's important to be rooted with a passion for something. Everything you do, in other words, in everything you do, you should have a goal in mind. You should have a purpose for doing it. It's important to not be aimless. I'm guilty of that. It's important to be convicted about stuff and to have really a genuine purpose for doing whatever you do. If you do find a purpose and if you do have, a passion, if you do find that purpose, if you find the route to keep you going, to get you going, then everything along the way is going to not work flawlessly, but it's going to be seemingly easier. So that's it, man. With everything you do, find a passion for it. Make sure you are passionate about it, obviously. But yeah, I'm going to leave it on that, dude. Love this car. Going to do something special. Stay tuned. Peace.